cup of clear water looks boring, but it hides a secret that decides if future you gets to drink clean water at all. You protect that secret by protecting the tiny streams and wetlands most people walk past without looking twice, because they act like nature's giant filter. But when those places get damaged, the filter breaks, so dirt and chemicals slide straight into the water we need, which means every muddy patch or buzzing marsh is actually working harder than any machine you could build. And that's why saving them is less about liking nature and more about making sure your tap still works tomorrow.